The BYD HAN cluster display and dashboard warning indicators provides detailed information on the vehicle's instrument cluster, helping drivers understand various indicators and warning lights for safe and efficient operation. If we talk about its interior, the dashboard offers sleek design and advanced user-friendly technology. The touchscreen display offers intuitive control over navigation, media, climate controls, and vehicle settings with a sleek, minimalist interface. The instrument cluster displays essential driving information such as speed, fuel level, engine temperature, and warning indicators. The steering wheel controls the vehicle's direction and often includes buttons for audio and other functions. The gear shifter lets the driver select transmission modes like park, reverse, neutral, and drive. Instrument cluster. Cluster indicators. High beam indicator, turn signal indicator. Position light indicator, OK indicator. Normal mode, automatic vehicle hold. Driving power limit warning, main alarm indicator. Smart key warning light, ABS fault warning light. ESC off warning light, ESC fault warning light. Check headlight, tire pressure fault warning light. Driver attention warning light, CPD indicator warning light. Rear fog light indicator, AVAS off warning light. Steering system fault warning light, seat belt reminder indicator. Motor coolant overheating, high voltage battery charging connection. Low voltage power system fault light, high voltage battery overheating light. Powertrain fault warning light, EPB indicator. Parking brake system fault warning light, AEB function limited. BSD function limited, LDP function limited. Intelligent camera, gear check light. Airbag fault warning light, ACC speed indicator. Door status light, snow mode indicator. Eco mode, sport mode indicator. Discharge indicator, ICC indicator. HMA indicator, anti-theft indicator light. Motor overheating warning light, TSR indicator. Safety precautions, know your symbols, immediate attention. Don't ignore a flashing symbol, stop driving for red warning lights. Check manual for unknown symbols. Regular maintenance. Cluster awareness. Don't distract yourself. Low visibility of symbols. Use an OBD2 scanner for diagnostics. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more car maintenance tips. Thank you for watching.